Hello, this is futoTopFlex. In anticipation of large math events, regardless of who you might be, and since I personally have a lot of math interests and enthusiasm and a history of mathematics, I am going to show the GNOME Genius application. Let's start the GNOME Genius application discussions with examples. Now, the first example, now let me check, is the trigonometry in degrees or radians right now? It looks like radians, if anything. Now, I can also check more. So, since it's in radians, and you may or may not know all this, but this is arctangent 1 plus arctangent 2 plus arctangent 3. That will equate to pi. A few other things of interest include, for instance, did you know that the arctangent of 1/2 is equivalent to the arctangent of 1/3 plus the arctangent of 1/7? That is another very interesting fact. Now, is it possible to do degrees instead of radians? Now, let me actually check. So, degree to radian, that's a feature. So that's degree to radian, and then radian to degree, that's also that way. Now, degree to radian. Now, yes, the cosine of, so degree to radian is the GNOME Genius way to convert the degrees to radian. So if you use GNOME Genius, then it's in radian mode by default. I wonder if there are preferences that allow the degree mode for trig functions. So this says maximum digits to output, floating point precision, scroll back lines, color scheme, and then the maximum number of nodes to allocate. So there is no option in the regular settings to change this from radian mode to degree mode. Feel free to tell me if you know if it's possible to do that same thing. Now, keep in mind that not all possible functions, like yes, have used uninitialized. So now we're getting into some very historic, like haversine or reverse sine or coversine or even cosine or whatnot. Secant is not historic, but xsecant, that's historic. And a few others as well. So when we get there, we're getting into very interesting territory, but I don't think that GNOME Genius can go that far. Is it possible to do summations on this? I'm not entirely certain. Now, now they say that it is possible to not have every single thing on the GNOME Genius, but this is just what GNOME Genius is like. If you'd like to see more content from futoTopFlex in mathematics, culture, and additional topics beyond just technology and geography, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, hack the YouTube algorithm, and hopefully I can learn more as well. So next videos might be me learning new things. Next videos might be you teaching me new things. Next videos, I might already know some of the contents for them. But thanks for watching about GNOME Genius and about the mathematical features. While I couldn't get all possible mathematical functions working here on GNOME Genius, the GNOME Genius application is very interesting anyways for its potential. And thanks for watching. Signing off.